Why family workouts matter.
Exercising as a family has wonderful benefits. It strengthens relationships, boosts mood, and sets a positive example for children. Being active together helps everyone stay healthy, reduces stress, and can even improve sleep. Making fitness a family tradition means your kids are more likely to carry healthy habits into adulthood. Plus, it's a fun way to spend quality time together.
Start simple. Warm up together.
Begin each session with a warm-up. Jog in place, do arm circles, or jump rope for a few minutes. These activities wake up your muscles and get everyone energized. Choose movements that are easy for both kids and adults. Turning the warm-up into a friendly game, like freeze dance, makes it even more enjoyable for kids of all ages.
Turn exercise into play.
Kids love games, so make workouts playful. Try relay races, obstacle courses, or scavenger hunts indoors or outdoors. Incorporate classic games like tag or Simon Says with fitness moves such as squats or jumping jacks. These playful exercises keep kids engaged, help burn off energy, and make fitness feel like fun rather than a chore.
Create themed workout challenges.
Give your workouts a creative twist with themes. For example, try a superhero workout. Pose like your favorite hero, hop over lava, or perform power punches. Or go on a backyard adventure, hopping like frogs and balancing like flamingos. Themed challenges grab kids' attention and encourage them to use their imagination while staying active.
Celebrate and track progress.
Make fitness rewarding by tracking progress together. Hang a family activity calendar and mark off workout days. Celebrate milestones with healthy treats or family outings. Don't focus on competition. Cheer each other on and recognize everyone's efforts. These positive experiences motivate kids to keep moving and help the whole family stay committed to an active lifestyle.